Bang!
So 2 3-putts, which is not technical, mental, or anything. It's just one of those things that just didn't hit the speeds that needed. 62 and 67 in the last 2 rounds. Does this course fit your eye now? I'll tell you tomorrow afternoon. Good answer, Danny. Back to you. And he's on a pretty good pattern here, Jimmy, especially when you look at his last 2 PGA Tour wins when he was #1 in driving distance and greens in regulation, and he is on top.
I'm going to sing this tonight.
We saw Bubba spray
You're going to sing it?
off the tee, but we learned
There won't be too many people.
I know. Everybody would be gone.
Everybody's going to leave the hall. There won't be anybody left in the hall.
We saw 3 iron shots that could have gone in the hole today, so he's actually hitting the most fun shots to watch, and he's able to scramble and hit these big hooks and slices. He's probably the most interesting guy in golf to watch.
Is it over the song?
I'm hoping that the young people out there look at his game and say, man, that's a way to play the game. It's fun to do.
Are you going to keep...
But
But there's a side to you that I never knew.
Fire to the rain.
Dad, I wouldn't be talking.
I'm just doing what she did.
Golf championship, especially here at Doral. And Tiger Woods, who knows, maybe another low 60 round like he did last week. He was 9 shots off the lead going to the final round last week, 8 shots going into tomorrow.
Do you not know this part of the song?
Golf Channel's Golf Central and final round coverage of this championship.
Okay, I think that's it.